Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. I am at my second mining location and I am here just to give you guys a little update of what's going on. And I have a few little projects here finally on my work table space here. I have two old PCs and as well as I have a Atom Miner FPGA that I've been wanting to work on. So I'm going to be doing that in another video. But first, I just wanted to show you guys that I have these two PCs here, which I want to mine Monero on. And these are i7 4770Ks. I believe that's a 4770. That's a non-K edition CPU. And yeah, these have, I believe, 16 gigs of memory and yeah, an i7 4770K CPU. So I'm curious to know how these will do on Monero. I haven't done anything yet. I need to install XMRig and just see what it does, but I'll show that later on in the video. But first, guys, I wanted to show you actually, I have a new vlogging camera that I wanted to introduce to you guys, because right now I've been using a OnePlus 6 to take vlogs and stuff. So I've been doing that for the past year, and I mean the phone quality through my OnePlus 6 is really not that bad in my opinion. But you know, I wanted to step it up and buy a new camera, which I bought on Black Friday. So this is an EOS RP, and it can do 4K and 1080p, 60 FPS, all that good stuff. And you guys may be wondering, why did I go with Canon? And that's because I wanted to stick with the existing ecosystem, because I already have a bunch of Canon lenses and stuff. So I just wanted to, you know, I didn't want to spend any more money, you know, if I wanted to go Sony or Panasonic. But I mean, I know that they have the adapters for all of them, but I'm used to Canon, and that's pretty much why. So yeah, this Canon EOS RP, it looks pretty cool. It's got like a flippy out screen and all that kind of stuff, and as well as this, I bought a microphone to improve my audio quality. I mean, I would say that on my phone right now, the audio quality is not that bad, but I'm thinking that this Rode microphone may, you know, step it up, and I'm curious to know when I do my video edits to see how much better it's going to be. And I got this little tripod as well. It's a Joby. This is, I believe, Casey Neistat also recommended this for mirrorless cameras, so I took his recommendation and bought one of these. It's pretty modular, pretty flexible, pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna switch to this right now, and I would love to know what you guys think. And I guess when I edit this video, I'm gonna see hopefully a huge difference in video quality and audio quality, I hope. So let's go. All right, my friends, how do I sound? Test, 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 1, 2, 3. Not using my phone anymore. Let's see. This is supposedly supposed to do really good autofocus as well. All right. How does that look, guys? I'm using my Canon EOS RP, and let's see how this autofocus is. Yeah, pretty good actually. I don't have to, oh, it's been going nuts. It's making noises. Autofocus range, and I think this is pretty wide angle as well. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. And this is supposed to have image stabilization, all that good stuff. Okay, anyways, let's go on with the video. So I want to get this rig going. This is the i7 4770K, and right now, yeah, I got nothing. I just installed Windows and I need to get XMRig started. So let me do that right now. Let's get XMRig installed. Alright, XMRig, about 4 days ago, released a new version, 5.1.1. And this is supposed to also, you know, have some little few updates and efficiencies. So let's see here what they've done. It looks like they fixed various response stability issues and added a new CPU option, and fixed wrong priority of main miner thread. Okay, well, let me go ahead and download this, and that should be good to go. Let's download it right here. 164. Alrighty, so have XMRig downloaded. Now I just have to go to xmrig.com and use their wizard here just to make the batch file. And I'm just going to go new configuration, add a pool. I'm just going to use support XMR. And here it's asking for a wallet address. So I have that already. I'm just going to copy a donation address, worker name. I'm just going to put 4770K, add pool. Now it's there. Now we go to backends. We're just going to do CPU. We go to miscellaneous, and we have, I'm just going to set the donation to 1% because 5% seems a bit too much. Go back to result, and there we go. We have the command line for the batch file here. So I just have to copy that and paste it into the start batch file in XMRig here. So what you guys see here, you just have to edit this start bat file and copy everything that you have into here. So I'm just gonna remove this and Control V, and I am ready to mine. So let's see how much hash rate that this i7 4770K can do. So once that's saved, click start. Alright, so let's just see what kind of hash rate we're gonna get. I'm guessing that this is going to get about I'm gonna say 3,000 hashes per second, maybe 2,000. Going, do I press H? Yeah. Oh, so 1,500 hashes per second. Okay, well, I was about half off from 3,000, so 1,500 hashes. Let's hit H again to see if it's gone up a bit. Nah, yeah, about 1,532, 35. It's still going up actually. 1,542, 530. Okay, so I'm gonna say around 1,500 hashes per second on an i7 4770K, and that's honestly not too bad for a pretty old processor. All right, so it looks like it's utilizing about 2 gigabytes of memory as well. So it looks like this command, Windows command process, you guys can see here, it's using about 2.3 megabytes or 2.3 gigabytes, and out of the 16 gigs that I'm utilizing right now. So, not too bad, not too bad. You know, this makes me think that, you know, if botnets and computers out there that have more than 4 gigabytes or 8 gigabytes of RAM, I mean, this Monero mining, like RandomX, can still be utilized on a lot of computers, and I think some botnets and malware can still, you know, get through and utilize the computers out there. And yeah, I don't know. I think because of the Monero hash rate right now, I believe it's over 800 or 900 mega hash. It's pretty high in my opinion. So am I profiting on this 1,500 hashes on an i7 4770K? I'm not sure. And how much wattage are we using right now? So we're using about 90, 96, 91, 92. 92 watts, so about 90 watts on the whole system, and that's connected to the whole, that's connected to the whole computer, this watt meter. So, well, that's it, my friends. That's all I'm gonna do for this one. I'm gonna leave it at that. And 14, it went back down now, 1,400 hashes. Okay, well, I would say that's not a success. Obviously, it's an older processor and that kind of stuff, and you guys may notice why I have so many hard drives in here. I was doing hard drive mining. I was doing burst coin mining back in the day, as well as that rig over here. This computer, I have a bunch of hard drives that I was doing burst coin mining back in the day. Now, I have been meaning to actually wanting to do more hard drive mining, and there's something called storage, and as well as Filecoin, and I think there's a few others that I want to get into. So I'm going to be doing a bit of research on that, and hopefully I can do a video on one of those projects to get hard drive mining going. So maybe I'll turn this PC into a hard drive mining rig, and also this one as well, as I don't really think, you know, Monero mining it's not really profitable anyway on this rig, on an i7. So okay guys, well that's it on this project. I'm just going to leave it there for now. And you guys may have noticed I did talk about before the Atom Miner FPGA, and this thing was given to me about a couple months ago, I think 6 or 5 months ago, and I haven't kept up with the profitability. I haven't had it on for a while because I wanted to get a Raspberry Pi. So I'm gonna get a Raspberry Pi in the near future and set this up and get it mining. I think there's a lot more algorithms out for this thing. So I'll keep you guys updated for this one. This computer, I'm not going to touch. It's the same processor pretty much as this one, so we're probably going to get the same result on this one. And yeah, I don't think it's going to be that profitable anyway. Okay, now for the rest of my mining farm here that you guys can see, here's my box wall. It's kind of been dwindling and getting smaller because I sold a bunch of the 1060s already. But you guys can see here, I have a few rigs, about 4 rigs right now that has GPUs. So I have the Radeon 7 rig, I have the GTX 1060 3GB rig, I have the EVGA P104 rig, and then I have the RX 480 8GB rig, which is my pride and joy. I love this thing. This thing has been rock solid. I'm actually going to have a video real soon of converting this into HiveOS. Okay, I want to put this on HiveOS because actually I've been having some small issue with Windows recently as I'm mining Ethereum Classic on these. It's been turning off the Claymore miner for some small reason. I'm not sure why. So I'm going to convert this to HiveOS in the near future. And then my Radeon 7, you guys know about this one. I'm keeping this updated and all that good stuff. You guys may thought I was going to give this away in my 10K giveaway live stream. I think I fooled a lot of you guys, and that was pretty funny. So that was really funny, and I had a good time in the live stream, and I hope you guys did as well. What else do I got going on here? Really not that much. I have my other PC here, which is used to be my old video editing rig. This is an i7 4790K, so it's a little bit older, but it can still do its job for a lot of different things if I wanted to. Yeah, so anyways, my friends, that is pretty much it with my second mining location. And I would love to know what you guys think about my new camera and if the footage and video quality seems to be a lot better, as well as my audio quality compared to my phone. I'm thinking this is a lot better. And if it's not, then I just wasted about, I would say, 1,500 bucks Canadian. About 1,100 bucks US, I guess, on buying all this extra stuff and vlogging camera. But, you know, it's a lot of fun. I like doing this. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think. I appreciate you all for watching. Let me know what you think, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out.